Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your frozen screen and unresponsive screen on the Honor 600 Lite 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is press the power button and the volume up button. Now, what we need to do is press the power button and the volume down button for more than 10 seconds. Do not mind the screenshot being taken, just keep on holding it until you see that your screen goes black. You will see this right here. We got the Honor logo and the phone will basically restart. So this is the first step. Now we're waiting for our phone to turn back on. Now, as you guys can see, we can go over and swipe up to unlock. Of course, the password is required after a restart. So we enter the password and now we can easily test the responsiveness. Sometimes it may be just glitchy or laggy because we just enabled the phone back on. And as you guys can see, sometimes it's not working properly, but still we need to wait for the phone to fully turn on because it's just after a restart. Now, what are we going to do next as a last resort is go over to settings, and here in the settings we're going to swipe down until we see system and updates. Now software update, and it's checking automatically, so we can check if we are on the latest version. Of course we are. So that's basically what you guys can do here. Now, if you're not on the latest version, you'll have a button to download it right here, and you'll simply need to press it so you're not on the old version. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.